The roots of Clan Kinninmont can be traced back to the lands of Kinninmonth in Fife, Scotland. It was during the late 12th century that Odo, the seneschal to the Bishop of St Andrews, was granted a charter for these lands by King William I of Scotland. This marked the establishment of the Kinninmont family in Scottish history. The Kinninmont name gained prominence during the reign of King Edward I of England. In 1296, William de Kynemouthe's name appeared on the Ragman Roll, a document listing the names of Scottish nobles who submitted to the English monarch. This early acknowledgment illustrated the clan's noble status, and their significance within the Scottish social hierarchy. Clan Kinninmont boasted notable members who held important ecclesiastical positions. In 1329, Alexander de Kininmund ascended to the esteemed role of Bishop of Aberdeen, contributing to the clan's prominence. Another distinguished figure, Alexander de Kininmund, became Archdeacon of Aberdeen in 1352. These religious positions highlighted the influence and respect commanded by the Kinninmont family. The line of Kininmonts of that ilk, representing the chiefly line of Clan Kinninmont, reached its zenith in the 15th century. However, this direct line came to an end through a marriage between the sole heiress and the Murray of Melgund family. This alliance ensured the preservation of the clan's heritage, although the chiefly arms were subsequently passed down to the Elliot Murray Kininmund family, who became the successors of Clan Kinninmont. As an armigerous clan, Clan Kinninmont retains its historical significance, despite the absence of a recognized chief. The Elliot Murray Kininmund family, the Earls of Minto, have adopted the clan's arms as part of their own. This symbolic connection to Clan Kinninmont exemplifies the family's commitment to preserving the heritage and legacy of their predecessors. The crest badge of Clan Kinninmont encapsulates the pride and resilience of its members. Derived from the arms of Kinninmont of that ilk, the crest depicts an oak tree vert, symbolizing strength and endurance. The clan motto, Starbo, meaning I shall stand, reflects the indomitable spirit of Clan Kinninmont, and its determination to uphold its ancestral values.